I had a thermodynamics course with Dr. Shantanu Jathar, and I enjoyed his teaching style, and I heard that he had some cool projects going on in his lab. So I decided to start a conversation with him and get involved with his lab. So every source of pollution, such as a power plant or even a construction site with its dust or wildfires, has an associated plume with it that travels downwind from the source. Using this drone, we can fly through the plume downwind and gather concentrations of particulate matter in the air and help determine what the emission rate of that source is using many different equations. Specifically, the sensor I'm using is called the POPS, the Portable Optical Particle Spectrometer, and it can detect particles within a range of 130 nanometers in diameter to 3,000 nanometers in diameter, and it also counts them and stores them in their respective bins as it passes through the device. So that device fits in this enclosure right here, and it is mounted up underneath the drone like this and samples air through this brass inlet. I would say my favorite part of this project is actually flying the drone and collecting data, because data collection is always the best part of research, and I enjoy flying the drone around. I appreciate all of the funding that is provided to the college to make this possible, and it's been a great undergraduate research experience for me, and I plan to continue in the future.